Hey friends, welcome to another video of Microsoft Office tutorials. Friends, in today's video we are going to discuss an attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel that is fully automated. We will discuss that how this attendance sheet that we are going to discuss that how this attendance sheet is fully automated and how we can prepare such an amazing and fully automated attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. Here is the attendance sheet that we need to discuss in today's video. This seems to be a normal attendance sheet, but this is fully automated. You can see this attendance sheet is for company ABC. This is for month of May 2021. Here we have employee ID, employee name, present, absent, weekends, total absent days, total work days, and so on. Almost each and everything that normally we have in attendance sheet, right? So how this attendance sheet is fully automated? I will suggest you to focus or to concentrate on the points that I'm going to explain you now. You can see this attendance sheet is for month of May, right? In May, how many days we have? We have 31 days. So here we have from 1 to 31. Okay. Then here on Sunday we have weekends. So on Sunday the whole column is black. Let's say now this is for month of May, right? Let's say now we need to prepare attendance sheet for month of June. So what we will do, we will come on this cell on the first date. In formula bar, you can see here 5 is number of month because May is 5th month of the year, right? Now we need to prepare attendance sheet for 6th month, that is June. We will simply change from here from 5 to 6. We will simply replace 5 with 6. I will insert here 6. I will press enter and here we go. You can see the whole attendance sheet has been changed. Now what we need to do, we just need to pick the first cell. We need to bring our selection on the first cell. Here we will just drag from here to right side and then from here to down side, and here we go. Now we just need to insert absent days. If any employee is absent, we will just insert absent. Let's say this employee is absent for 4 days. Let's say this employee is absent, let's say maybe 3 days. This employee, let's say 5 days, and our attendance sheet is ready. You can see here for June we have how many days? 30 days. So here it will automatically pick here till 30. It will not show us 31 because in June we have 30 days only. It will automatically change the name of days. It will automatically change the whole column into black wherever it will find that it is Sunday, because on Sunday we have weekends. Wherever we will insert A or wherever we will insert it is absent, it will change cell color into red and font color into white. It will automatically calculate here how many days absent for an employee. You can see for this employee we have 4 days absent. It will show here 4, then here 3, then here 5. Then here total work days, because in June we have how many days total? 30. So if an employee don't have any absent, it will show us total work days 30. If an employee has number of days absent, it will show us the remaining number of days worked. For example, for this employee we have 4 absent days, so total work days to 26. For this employee 27, for 25, 30, 30 and so on. So you can see this is fully automated attendance sheet. What we need to do, we just need to go to this cell. We just need to change here month number. We will just drag from this cell to right side till down, and then we will insert absent days and our attendance sheet is ready. I think we need maximum we need 2 or 3 minutes to complete our attendance sheet, right? Now what we need to do, now we need to discuss that how we can prepare exactly same and fully automated attendance sheet in Microsoft Excel. For that I will insert here new sheet. I will just copy this basic data, the serial number, employee ID and employee name from this attendance sheet, because there is no formulation in these cells. I will simply paste here. I will just arrange these cells a little bit. Then here we need to insert dates. Let's say we want to prepare attendance sheet for time being. Let's say we want to prepare attendance sheet for month of May. So I will insert here May 1st 2021. Then for 2nd May, simply what I will do, insert sign this date plus 1. It will give us 2nd May. So we just need to drag from here till 31st May. So till here we have 31st May. Now we need to change this date format. We need to do exactly same we have here. So what we will do, we will just select all these cells in which we have dates. We will go to home tab. In home tab we will go here. In this drop down we will go to more number formats. In this window of format cells we will go to custom, and we will, under type, we will just delete this format, and in place of this we will insert D two times. That will give us, you can see here sample, that will give us date in two numbers. So we will go for OK, and here we go. You can see here now we have exactly same date format that we have in this attendance sheet. Now next thing what we need to do, we need to bring here name of the day, that on 1st May it is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever. So for that we will insert here text function, equal sign text function, open parenthesis, we will select this date to which we want to convert into name of day. We will insert comma, quotation mark. In quotation mark we will insert D three times. D stands for day. Quotation mark, close parenthesis, enter, and it will give us name of the day. We will simply drag till end of the date. So now we have name of the days also. Now at last here we need to merge cells. We need to merge for these two columns. Here we need to insert absent days, and here total work days. We will just select these cells. We will go to wrap text. Now we need to change format of these cells. We will select all these cells, center, filling color black, font color white, and here we go. Till here our attendance sheet is complete. Now we need to insert our headings. We will merge these cells. Let's say this attendance sheet is for ABC company. Just centralize, bigger size, bold a little bit, then merge these cells, and here we will write attendance sheet. Again here we will merge cells. For this area, this thing is important. Here we need to bring the month name and the year. That will change automatically according to our attendance sheet. So what we need to do, we will just link this month name and year with these cells. So we will insert here again text function. We will use this first date. We will insert comma, quotation mark. In quotation mark, as we need to bring month and year, so we will insert M three times. M stands for month, space, Y four times. Y stands for year, quotation mark, close parenthesis, enter, and here we go. You can see here this attendance sheet is for May 2021 because here we inserted the 1st May 2021, right? So we can just bold these cells also. Let's say we will change here from May to June. I will change 5 into 6, and you can see here this cell is working fine. So again I will go back to May. Now what we need to do, we need to insert here conditional formatting, so that whenever we can this whole column or all these cells should be in black color. What we will do, we will select this whole area. For the states we will select this whole area. Be careful, we need to select from this cell. In which cell our name of days are starting, we need to make selection from this cell, because our conditional formatting will be based on the name of the day, not based on the date. So what we will do, after we select this whole area, we will go to home tab. In home tab we will go to conditional formatting, new rule. Then in this window we will go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Here we will insert equal sign. The first cell is the first cell is D6. We will insert here D6, and we will insert here number of the row. We will insert before number of the row, that is 6. We will insert $sign, because we need to freeze this row, because based on this row we will format all these cells. Then equal sign, quotation mark. In quotation mark we will insert SUN, again quotation mark. That means if this row, any cell in this row is equal to SUN, that is Sunday, then how we want to format, we want to fill in black color, and font we want in white color. So we will select here white color. Okay, Okay, and here we go. Wherever we have Sunday, the whole column or all the cells are in black color. Let's try another month, maybe for December. I will insert 12, and you can see here this thing is also working fine. Let's go back to May. I will change from 12 to 5. Now next step. In this step we need to insert a different formula in these three cells. I will show you why. You can see here now this attendance sheet is for month of May 2021, right? In May we have 31 days, but what if we are preparing attendance sheet for month of Feb? I will insert in place of 5. I'm going to insert 2. I will insert enter, and here we go. You can see now this attendance sheet is for month of Feb 2021, but in Feb you know that we have 28 days, but this is 1 2 3. This is added in our attendance sheet. We need to insert formula to adjust this thing. If I will show you, you can see here this is 26 Feb, 27 Feb, 28 Feb, and here 1st March, 2nd March, 3rd March. If I will use here month formula, so it is 2nd month, that is Feb. But if I will use month formula in this cell, it is 3rd month, that is March. So we need to use this thing, that if month in this cell is different than month in this cell, what we want to do, we want to bring here blank. So what I will do, I will insert here a formula. If month of this calculation, after this calculation, if month is not equal to the month that is in this cell, then what we want to do, we want to bring here blank. Otherwise, if it is not different, let's say if it is the same, it is Feb, then what we want to do, we want to bring here same calculation. So I will just copy this calculation, I will simply paste it here, and here we go. You can see because here it was March, then here we have blank cell, but here we have error in these cells. Then we will insert here one more formula. What we will do, we will insert here if it is error, then again we want to bring here blank cell. We don't want to do anything. I will simply drag till here, and here we go. You can see for these cells now we don't have anything. Let's try something else. Again I will insert here May, it's okay. But let's say I will insert here June. You can see only this last cell is blank. Here we have 30th of June. So now it is working fine. Now we want that here the present, that if it is not Sunday, then all these cells should be show P, that means present. What we will do, we will insert a formula that if this cell is equal to blank, then we want to blank, because you can see it is blank. So for this cell we will be using for whole this area, that if this cell is blank, we will insert here $sign, because P or present will be based on this name of the day. If it is Sunday, we don't want here anything, right? So if this cell is blank, we don't want here anything, we want here blank. Then again comma, if this cell D6 is equal to SUN, then again we don't want here anything, otherwise we want here P. So close parenthesis, enter, and here we go. Now you can see it is Tuesday, so present, it will show automatically present. I will drag to right side, it is okay. But in Sunday, see, it will not show anything. I will just drag till here it is okay, but here because it is blank, it should show here nothing. So here we go, see, it is showing here nothing. I will just drag till down, and here we go. Just I will centralize it again. Now we will try, let's say for month of May. So for here you can see for this AH column it is showing here nothing, but for May, when we will change into May, it will show here 31st date, and for here name of the day, and at here will be showing P if it is not Sunday. So I will just change from June into May, and here we go. You can see on 31st it is Monday, so it is showing P for all days. So here we will insert formula count if in any of these cells count if any of these cells is equal to A. So here at this time we don't have A in any of these cells, so here is 0. So let's say if we change anything, let's say here we change A, it will show 1. Now what we need to do, we need to make formatting for A. If we write A on anything, it should show different color. So we will select this whole area, we will go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, equal to. If any of these cells is equal to A, then we want to change format into, we want to fill color of cell into red, we want font color into white. You can use any formatting. Okay, you can see here, if we insert A on any of these places, it will show different color. Now the last and final step to complete this attendance sheet. Here we need to bring total work days, right? So for this we need to insert, we need to use two formulas together. First of all, I will use here EOM, that is end of month formula or function. So I will insert here EOM end of month. I will use again this first cell, I will just lock this and then comma 0 close bracket, and if I will show you, I will change here format, I will show you something short date. Here you can see as per the name of formula end of month, you can see here end of month, EO month, that is end of month. This formula will give us last date of this month, that is 31st May 2021. From this date we need to pull out this day, that is 31. So for this we will be using here function day on this whole calculation. So we will close bracket and here we go. So we will change here format, I will just drag it down. We will change format the same as we did for these days. We will go to home tab, in home tab, in this drag down we will go to custom and here we will write the and okay. You can see here 31 days, but from this we need to deduct this absent days. So simply what we will do, minus this cell and we'll drag it down and here we go, our attendance sheet is ready. Now let's try our attendance sheet. We will change, let's say, into Feb. The attendance sheet is changed. We will just pick the first cell, we will drag from right to right side, then to down side, and here we go. Wherever, let's say, we will insert absent. So our automated attendance sheet is working fine. So friends, that's all for today. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Microsoft Office Tutorials. Don't forget to press the bell icon button. Also don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.